Hi guys, I'm Shushmita. Today in this video, let us see some of the plants which are grown in my home. And the first one you can see is betel. As we know, betel is called as vetralai in Tamil. And betel leaves comes with several curative health benefits as they are loaded with vitamins like vitamin C, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, etc. It is a great source of calcium also. Also, it acts as anti-diabetic agent and it helps in lowering high cholesterol level. An anti-cancer agent, antimicrobial agent, helps in wound healing. Also, anti-asthmatic agent helps overcome depression and it also improves oral health. Next one, as you can see, it is a spider plant used for ornamental purpose. And next one is a aloe vera plant. It is very dense in water content and it is used to prevent or treat dehydration, mostly used in beauty hacks and also helpful for digestive benefits. It relieves heartburn. A plant near it is called Keelanelli. It is traditionally used to balance body heat, treat ulcer and skin disease, control blood sugar and more. Next one is nothing but a table rose. It is also called as moose plant, pigweed or sun plant, etc. It attracts more bees for the pollination. If you are growing more vegetables in your garden, it is a better option to grow table rose with different colors. It attracts bees for pollination. It also a better option for beginners to grow plants. Next one is one of my most favorite one in my garden, and none other than it is a lily plant. It is a water lily, and the specialty of this lily is it is one of the world's smallest water lily, named as Nymphaea termarum, and the pads of this one can measure only 1 centimeter across, and it is the world's smallest lily species. In India, there blooms a rare flower which can be seen only by the lucky one, that is Brahmakamal. Brahmakamal belongs to the Thistle tribe of flowering plants. Interestingly, this flower blooms only one night in a year, and that too after sunset. It takes 2 hours or so for to bloom fully to 8 inches in diameter. In our home, we also have this Brahmakamal plant. It grows exclusively in the month of April to May and on October also. These flowers carry medical properties, and for the believers they are an auspicious and wish-fulfilling nature. With this, before concluding this video, I would like to share a small information that mask. Due to this pandemic condition, masks should be used as part of a comprehensive strategy of measures to suppress transmission and save lives. The use of mask alone is not sufficient to provide an adequate level of protection against this COVID-19. If COVID-19 is spreading in your community, stay safe by taking some simple precautions such as physical distancing, wearing a mask, keeping rooms well ventilated, avoiding crowds, cleaning your hands, and coughing in a bent elbow or tissue. Then make wearing a mask a normal part of being around other people. The appropriate use, storage, and cleaning or disposal of masks are essential to make them as effective as possible. Hope so you'll follow this, and thank you.